Hi guys, today you're going to learn how to make an amazing 3D floor plan in less than an hour. I'll also show you how I had this gorgeous rendering created by a freelancer on Fiverr. At the end of the video, stay tuned for a bonus iPad app that can make everything super simple. Thanks for watching and enjoy. When you're driving through a neighborhood, all of the homes look the same on the outside. Typically, you need to schedule a tour of the inside of the home in order to see the interior design and layout. When using an app like Magicplan, you're able to create a floor plan of the home quickly and easily. Once you've downloaded the app, it takes about an hour to put together a complete floor plan. The app is extremely easy to use. After everything was completed, here is the final product. It's definitely a nice image for an amateur like me, but I decided to find an expert freelancer to add a little bit better quality. I went to Fiverr and searched through the listings. Prices ranged anywhere from about $5 to $200 or so. I finally decided on the perfect person after I saw this video. After 2 days with my chosen freelancer, I received this high-definition video rendering with photos of the first floor and the second floor. Everything exceeded my expectations, and it cost just $70. I'm using all of these in our newest real estate listing, but you can easily accomplish the same thing with either a construction project or a remodel. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to smash that like button. As you can see, there are a number of ways to use 3D floor plans and renderings for your next real estate project. Please make sure to subscribe and check out our future videos for incredible new content.